Mic check, mic check, mic check. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening. Happy Friday. I think it's about 11 o'clock. I'm just wanted to jump on here right quick to give y'all some value, before I run out and take care of the things I got to take care of today. It is payday, I'm just saying. And I show people how to get paid. But anyway, I wanted to just share one thing that I've been doing for years, and I share it with my team because a lot of people have an issue with talking to people. Because growing up we was told not to talk to strangers. And then when you get into the business, they tell you to talk to strangers. So I've been using this method. It's called drop cards. And as you can see, these drop cards, they look like $100 bills. Now think about this. We are in attraction marketing. One thing that attracts everybody is money. So what I simply do, I ordered the drop cards. I'll give y'all a link below the video. But I ordered these drop cards, and in the middle of it, when they open it up, it says, make big money part-time, working from home, working on the internet. And it says, it has the website there, enjoymylife.info, and it doesn't have a phone number. Think about this. Human nature is always curious to want to know what it's about. So they don't have a phone number to call you, and they are forced to see what it's about. So what happens, they go into the website, and it loads them into your automatic system, and it starts prospecting, doing all the selling and telling for you. So you only get the people that's really interested in what you're doing. And I'm going to tell y'all these things. Sometimes when I go out, like I'm about to do today, I just have fun with it because, I fold them up and drop them. And it was one guy, he seen it, and he put it on his feet and slid, and then he looked around to see if anybody was going to see him. And then he picked it up and put it in his pocket. See, that's how I know this stuff works, because people, they love money. I'm telling y'all, get some of these drop cards and have fun with it. You ain't doing it right if you're not having fun. But anyway, I hope this video brought some value to you. Like I said, I'll leave the link at the bottom of the page. And hey, y'all have a great one. It's Friday. It's almost Labor Day. And I know people are thinking, oh man, thank God it's Friday. I'm glad I made it. But anyway, y'all have a nice one. This is Booker Williams. I'm out.